Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Choma Michael of Lomash Confectionery. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and always leave a comment. Yeah, so my friend NK called and he wants a cake for Kehinde. It was emergency order, so we baked and decorated this cake the same day. Thanks to our chiller, for helping cool the cake very fast. Okay, so it was a 5 layered cake, buttercream cake actually. Okay, so start by trimming the cake. Look at them: strawberry, vanilla, and cookies and cream. Oh, also, if you need recipes on this our yummy cake, I have online classes on them. Trust me, I have one of the best recipes you can ever think of, and you would wow your clients. I have classes on how to decorate your cakes, how to bake, pastry classes, cocktail, mocktail, and so forth. So simply reach out to me, and we are good to go. Okay, so I trimmed the cake, crumb coated and all that. So back to covering with the actual color for it. Um, did you notice that I'm wearing blue and working on a blue cake? So cool. Okay, so started working on the cake. It was just a simple buttercream, nothing serious, with a milk flavor, exotic milk flavor rather. And trust me, the buttercream is so sweet. If you make your buttercream and you don't add flavors to it, you are missing out, missing a lot. Okay, so here, trying to cover every angle, make sure that no areas left. So yeah, watch me do that. Watch me do that. Yeah, so here was done, and it's time to smoothen out the cake. That's my toe scraper. That scraper should be about 12 inches tall. Yeah, 12 inches tall. So, you know, scrape, fill in areas that need more buttercream and scrape again or smoothing out again. Yeah. And this is me adding skewer. The essence is for the cake not to shift or whatever during delivery. So yeah, smoothing out the top, making sure everything is as smooth as it should be. Perfection, that's the aim, even if it's not 100%. So I was done, and now trying to decorate. We had a picture of King. They look at him with his beautiful smile. So printed out, adding the mold design. Um, yeah, adding the mold designs, making sure everything is aligned the way it should be. So it's really important to cut out excesses. We don't want the whole thing bogging everywhere. Yeah, painting with gold dust. I got this gold dust for 500 naira in the market. 500 naira only, and it's glittering. If you ask me the name, there's no name on the body. No name. There's no name on the body. So that was done. Adding my golden balls. The balls that sold a pack for 1,008 or 1,700. I can't recall. The red what's that stuff called? The red palm or fan. Yes, I added it. Look at our cake turning out so pretty. And then the happy birthday topper, because no time to start piping. I mean, we are running late already, so I had my topper, and look at that beauty. So here is the final finishing of the cake. I mean, come on, it's given.